Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Anurag Jha. Today I will discuss about ideas for cost reduction in manufacturing. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Quality is everything is my channel, and please watch and share my full video. Today my session is basically based on cost reduction in manufacturing. You know that the best way to increase the profit margin in manufacturing is usually to lower the profit manufacturing cost rather than increase the price of the product. But now, increase the price of the product is not a permanent solution or increase the profit margin of any manufacturing cost. So you have only one option: lower the profit manufacturing cost. If you lower the profit manufacturing cost, you have to increase the price margin of the product. So you have two options for profit margin. You have two options for profit margin. First option is lower the profit manufacturing cost. Second option is increase the price of the product. So lower the profit manufacturing cost is your permanent solution, and increase the price of the product is not a permanent solution for profit margin. So today we have discussed about how to increase the profit margin of manufacturing. So you have most method, maximum method is available, but we have some discuss about 5 to 6 most important method for cost reduction. On the base of cost reduction, we have to increase the profit margin. So first that is most important is is develop strategic plan. That is most important. Develop strategic plan. That means you have to develop and review on regular basis of strategic plan, the analysis the environment, the market and competitors. What the rules competitors follow for reduction of cost, increase the price of the product. So you have to always focus on competitors and market scenario. If you follow the best method for cost reduction, so it will be very helpful. So develop strategic plan means you need to focus on market and competitor. And second thing that is most important, making a roadmap. That is most important for cost reduction. Second thing that is most important, lean cost model. Follow the lean cost model. In lean cost model, you have to addressing the seven wastage. That is most important. The seven wastage, just like you have to sort from teamwood. That is most important. Time, inventory, motion, waiting, over processing, overproduction and defect. If you are addressing the seven wastage, you have to reduce the cost of the product. That is most important. Third things, you have to sell online product. You know that nowadays Flipkart, Amazon and Snapdeal is the e-commerce business that is very important for online selling. If you are a low level company or big company, if you are selling the product on online, you have to carry out the inventory cost, carry out the transportation cost, carry out the puffing stock. You have to saving the money. So that is most important. Fourth, that is very important, automation. On the base of automation, you have to increase the efficiency of your process. You have to increase the efficiency of your workmen. You have to reduce the you have to reduce the uh, operator operator requirement, and also you have to best quality of your product. So that is very important. You have to work on automation. Fifth is, that is very important, is focus on core, focus on core department, focus on core, and and focus on core department, focus on core department, and rest rest for vendor. That is important. If you are making some product and your product is different process like casting, uh, formation, assembly, any such type of things. So if you are making product like child parts in house, it is a, you have to increase the transportation cost, you have to increase the inventory cost, you have to increase the maintenance cost of machine, everything. If you have to this product child's part, you have to buy from some suppliers. It will be very helpful. You have to carry out the maintenance cost of machine, carry out the transportation cost, carry out the energy consumption. That is most important. So it will you have to follow. Sixth thing, that is localize the outside country product. If you have uh, some product outside from, if you are buying from some product from outside country, it will be increase the cost of the product. If you localize the product in India, so it will be very helpful and it will reduce the cost of the price. That is very important. Second thing that is important, seventh, is work on cost of poor quality. Cost of poor quality. You need to work on cost of poor quality. If your cost of poor quality below 4%, that means follow the Six Sigma and it will be save for money and it will increase the profit margin. So I think this video will be very helpful for you. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and good luck.